Welcome to the all-new season of Uncovering Indian River, and what better way to start it off than with pure adrenaline-fueled excitement. In this episode, we'll be rediscovering the old Florida lifestyle at Island View Cottages, grabbing lunch at a Sebastian landmark that foodies flock to, and finally seeing all of Indian River from thousands of feet in the air at the legendary Skydive Sebastian. So come join me as we uncover Indian River. Today, we'll be waking up and kicking off our adventure at Island View Cottages. Located on the Sebastian riverfront, Island View Cottages is a boutique hotel on 2 acres of gorgeous wooded property. How did you all get that idea, and how did you make it feel like that old Florida?
Well, the property itself lends itself to the old Florida feel with a lot of the native vegetation, the setting right along the river and the lagoon, and the casual atmosphere. But I think more than anything, when people arrive, they find a super friendly town with family-owned businesses and restaurants, again, in a casual atmosphere and a place to just relax and kick back, and that is what truly gives it the old Florida feel.
Guests of the cottages can take advantage of the many amenities they offer, from their free canoe and bike rentals to their 250-foot fishing pier. And one of my favorite things about this place is that guests can bring their furry friends too, as they are pet friendly. All of these adventures and more await when you book your stay at Island View Cottages. Our next stop today is grabbing a bite to eat at a restaurant that's been one of Indian River's favorites for almost a decade, Chill and Grill. Chef Scott and his wife Sheila wanted to create a place that was family friendly but also attracted foodies and beer aficionados alike. Eventually evolving into what they call the ultimate gastropub, Chill and Grill offers Southern-style cooking with a dash of Asian, a pinch of French, and a sprinkling of Cajun, as well as a constantly rotating selection of local and craft beers. And Chef Scott, you've had over 40 years of experience. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Oh, all the way from the start. I started in California and moved to Hawaii for 10 years, where I met my wife, had our first son. And it just, I moved a lot around the country, which probably didn't help my family as much, but like I said, it kept me motivated. I learned something new every time I move. I never think I'm too old to have not learned something new. We're just glorified cooks. You call me the chef, that's nice, but I'm a glorified cook. It's what I like to do. And I like to see smiles like that when people eat our food. It's just what we do. I mean, we've been doing it so long, we don't think about doing anything else. We just come to work, and this is our home away from home. Everybody told us we'd never make it in the first 2 years. 10 years later, like, wow. This building, because it's in the middle of nowhere, nothing makes it here. Well, maybe they weren't doing the right thing. We just make it fun.
You have some amazing dishes for us to try.
We try.
All right, can we go try those out right now?
Certainly.
Awesome.
Anyway, what we have first is grilled octopus salad with a champagne vinaigrette. You are the first one to sample tonight's
Really?
special.
I feel very special. That's amazing. Yeah, perfect.
That's the best thing about living next to the water. People know what octopus is, so they're not afraid to try it. This is our surf and turf. We have braised short ribs, crispy shrimp, with mashed potatoes and broccoli.
All of my favorites. A little bit of everything in this dish. Wow.
We don't do surf and turf very often, so we just thought today would be a good day to do it.
That's so good. It's juicy and it's full of flavors. It just falls right apart and melts right in my mouth. Today, we're getting ready to visit the legendary Skydive Sebastian. Skydive Sebastian is a world-class skydiving center whose friendly staff is here to cater to all experience levels, from first-timers to solo thrill seekers. Their spacious facility is spread out over 7 acres and features an on-site restaurant and tiki bar, perfect for your post-jump celebrations. I'm here today with Amanda, the manager of Skydive Sebastian. Thank you so much for having us here today.
Thank you for being here.
And I'm so excited to jump. Can you tell me about your experience here at Skydive Sebastian?
Sure. At Skydive Sebastian, people jump out of perfectly good airplanes and they love it.
So what attracts people to jump out of a plane 2.5 miles high?
I think it's the experience. They're ready to come out and live life. A lot of people come out and say it's a bucket list item or a birthday item. It's living life like they've never lived life before. It's exhilarating. It's breathtaking. It is gorgeous with the view. It's an incredible experience. They're in safe hands. These instructors are phenomenal with their experience levels, their ability. So enjoy the ride.
Yeah, and once that parachute comes out, you can definitely enjoy the view a little bit because you've got such an amazing view right here in Sebastian.
We are so spoiled being right on the coast.
Thank you so much for having us today. Let's go get geared up.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being here. I can't wait for you guys to jump.
Hey, how's it going today?
Good, I'm ready.
Ready to go jump out of an airplane?
I hope so.
All right, wonderful. Have fun. Have a great time. See you out there. Catherine, how was that?
Awesome.
Great job, girls. Pull the right control down. Here we go.
Here we go. Definitely my favorite part.
All right, great job. Thanks for jumping with us. See you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time as we uncover more of Indian River.